How long does a cat upper respiratory infection last? Have you ever wondered how long a cat upper respiratory infection lasts? If your feline friend is sneezing or has a runny nose, you might be concerned about what that means for their health. Upper respiratory infections, often referred to as URIs, are quite common in cats. They can be caused by viruses or bacteria, with feline herpes virus and calicivirus being the most frequent offenders. These infections typically affect the nose, sinuses, mouth, and throat. You may notice symptoms like sneezing, nasal discharge, eye discharge, and sometimes a decrease in appetite. For most healthy adult cats with a mild viral upper respiratory infection, symptoms usually last between 3 and 5 days. However, if your cat is a young kitten or an older cat, symptoms might stick around for up to a week. If your cat does not show signs of improvement within 5 days, or if their symptoms worsen, it is a good idea to consult a veterinarian. This could indicate a more serious illness or a secondary bacterial infection that may need treatment. When the infection is caused by feline herpes virus, recovery can take longer, sometimes up to 2 weeks. Bacterial infections may require antibiotics, and treatment usually lasts at least 7 days, continuing for at least 1 week after symptoms have resolved. In more severe or complicated cases, the infection can last much longer, sometimes up to 6 weeks, especially if the cat has a weakened immune system or other health issues. Most uncomplicated cases resolve on their own with supportive care. This includes making sure your cat stays hydrated and comfortable. If your cat stops eating or drinking or becomes lethargic, it is essential to seek veterinary attention promptly. Monitoring the duration and severity of your cat's symptoms is important. If you have multiple cats at home, keep in mind that URIs can spread quickly. Isolating affected cats and practicing good hygiene can help prevent transmission. Always trust your instincts. If you are worried about your cat's health, do not hesitate to reach out to a veterinarian, even if symptoms have just started. In general, the typical duration of a cat upper respiratory infection is 3 to 5 days for mild viral cases, up to a week for some, and up to 2 weeks for infections related to herpes virus. More severe cases may last several weeks and requiring veterinary intervention. Supportive care and early veterinary consultation are key to ensuring your cat gets back to their happy self.